Hi, I'm Chef Leroy. I'm going to show you how to make chicken and rice burrito. Very simple dish, easy to make. Let's make it happen. First, let's put down our Spanish rice. Then we're going to add our chicken. Then we're going to top this off with black beans. Now you don't want to stuff your burrito too much because it's going to make it too difficult to roll. Fold both sides in, tuck, and roll. See, makes a nice pretty presentation with all the colors, the black beans, the chicken, the rice. We're going to go ahead and garnish this so you can impress your friend, wow them. Nice simple dish.